Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Maura, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I make lots of lifestyle and tech videos, so if you like those kinds of videos, make sure to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And today we're going to be customizing my iPad with the new iOS 15 update. Let's get straight into it. So here's what it currently looks like. I already started. I made this wallpaper right here, and what it's going to do is it's going to section my apps into separate little things. So it doesn't work on this page because there's a little middle gap, but if you see when the widgets are there, they form into rows of 4 instead of rows of 5. So the first thing I want to do is show you guys my inspiration. Alright, so here's the inspiration that I want for my iPad, and here is all the pictures. I'm just going to save those really quick. Now we're going to go into the app Widgetsmith, and we're going to create some new widgets. Alright, now that we have our widgets, we're going to start adding them in. So first I'm going to get rid of the widgets that I did not want to keep on my home screen. And then once I did that, I'm going to hit the plus button in the corner, go to Widgetsmith, and add a widget. So now when you add a widget and it's the same widget you already have, you need to click on it and change the number to correspond with the correct widget. Alright, so now that we have all of my widgets that I want on, I'm going to start moving them around and putting them into groups into these individual boxes. Alright, so now that those widgets are moved over, I'm going to start on this first page. Now, I was definitely struggling with this because I did not realize how you had to put the apps in order from left to right, and I kept trying to put them individually in each box and then do one box at a time, but that does not work. You really need to work from left to right in order. So you really need to make a plan, figure out what you want to do, and just experiment. I wanted to create different sections, so that's what I'm currently doing. I'm adding things over and just trying to make it look cohesive. Alright, so we just finished this page. So this is all of the extra apps in one folder. Here we have all my essential apps, my second most essential apps, and then the non-essential apps. And then we have different widgets for all of them. Now we're going to work on the second page. Alright, so on this page, this is where all my creative apps are and my other apps. So these are the apps I downloaded and weren't just on Apple beforehand. So I tried to create certain sections. I have a school section, I have a creation kind of section, and I'm also trying to move things around so everything fits on this one page. Alright, so here's what we got so far. Here's the main page and it's all organized, and then here's the second page and that's all organized. So before the big reveal, I wanted to change one of my widgets, so I found this picture of some books and I'm just changing it out for the hand one, and I think it looks a lot better. So here's a tour. So this is the apps of all my Apple apps that I have. Here is the essentials, second most essentials, and these are the extras. Here's school, fun, editing, and extra. And that's my iPad. So yeah, thanks for coming along the journey with me. Here's a quick tip. When you're ordering things, don't try to do it by the section, but instead do it in order from left to right. It's so much easier if you just go like this. So I knew this one to be my gaming area, so I put this in, then I put my game in, then I put my school in, then I put my game in. So do it in order of the apps like this, and it'll be so much easier to order them instead of trying to order them by the individual section, which is very difficult. So I'll link this thing down below, the background that I have, and there it is. Super pretty. Love the way it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.